Lesson number 35, number patterns. Right? So a number pattern, very simply, is, well, it's just a sequence of numbers that you do the same rule to every single number to get to the next result. So the example they have here is they start with 3, right? Then they go 6, and 9, and then 12, and then 15, right? Blank, blank, blank. So what are you doing each time? Well, whatever you do to the first set of numbers, you have to keep repeating it every time. So here, the pattern is 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. And you do it again. Plus 3 is 9. Plus 3 is 12. Plus 3 is 15. So a question might ask you, what's the next 3 numbers in the sequence? Well, all you do is you keep applying the rule to the next number. So plus 3 gives you 18. Plus 3 gives you 21. And plus 3 gives you 24. So again, once you establish the rule, you just keep repeating it and to get the next numbers in the sequence. So let's look at this example. It says, what numbers are missing from the pattern? Okay, well, I don't know what the second or the fourth numbers are, all right? But look at the last 2 numbers, okay? I've got 13, all right, blank. Then I got 23, blank. Then I got 33. And 38. Well, again, I can't tell from the first couple of numbers, but remember, the pattern has to be the same for every sequence of numbers. So I'm going to look at the back to see what that relationship is. All right, and that will tell me what the relationship is for the other numbers. Well, looking here, how do I get from 33 to 38? Well, to get from 33 to 38, I'm adding 5. Well, so let me go back and use that same rule in the beginning. So ready? If I do 13 plus 5, what do I get? 18. Well, 18 plus 5 is 23. Okay, so that makes sense. And then 23 plus 5 would be 28. And then 28 plus 5 would be 33. All right, so my rule is plus 5. All right, and it turns up working out. So what are all the numbers in the sequence? Well, it'd be 18 and 28. Another example here, it says find the next 3 numbers in the pattern. Okay, well, I've got 4, I got 8, I got 12, I got 16, and I got 20. All right. So now I need the next 3 numbers. All right. So going back to the beginning, let me figure out what my rule is first. Well, to get from 4 to 8, I'm going to say it's plus 4. Let's see if that keeps working out. Well, 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. That works out. 12 plus 4 is 16. That works out. 16 plus 4. Excellent. So I've established that my rule is adding 4 each time. So then all I have to do is just keep adding 4. 20 plus 4 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. And 28 plus 4 is 32. So the next numbers in my sequence would be 24, 28, and 32. Now, the number pattern isn't always just going to be adding numbers, all right? It could do different operations as well. So let's look at this one. 61, 57. Oh, okay. Well, I can tell immediately that these numbers are going down now, right? They're not going up, they're going down. Which is telling me if they're going down, it's either subtraction or division, all right? So let's try to figure out what our rules are for this one. Let's see, all right, so to get from 61 to 57, well, I'm going to say minus 4. Now, let's see if that keeps working out. Well, 57 minus 4 is 53. Okay, that works out. 53 minus 4 is 49. That works out. 49 minus 4 is 45. Okay, so I've established my rule. So what am I going to do? I'm going to subtract 4 to the next 3 numbers. All right, so let's see. 45 minus 4 is 41. 41 minus 4 is 37. And 37 minus 4 is 33. So my next 3 numbers in the sequence would be 41, 37, and 33. And let's look at one more example. All right. So if I look at these numbers, 4, 12. Okay, I got, let's see, 4, I got 12, I got 36, I got 108. All right. So I got to figure out the next 3 numbers, right? Okay. Well, first things first, we got to figure out what our rule is. So right off the bat, I'm going to look at this and I'm going to say, all right, well, to get from 4 to 12, I'm going to add 8. All right. Now remember, the rule has to work every single time. So look what happens here. Well, 12 plus 8, that's not 36, that's 20. So plus 8 can't be my rule. All right. So I'm going to go back and try something else. All right. So it's not addition. I know that. It's not plus 8. Well, if it's going up, that's telling me if it's not addition, well, then it's multiplication. All right. So I asked myself, how do I get from 4 to 12? Well, to get from 4 to 12, that's times 3. All right. Well, let's see if this rule keeps working. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. Okay, that's good so far. 36 times 3 is 108. All right, excellent. So I know now that my rule is multiply by 3. So all you have to do is keep going. So 108 times 3 is 324. 324 times 3 is 972. And 972 times 3 is, big guy over here, 2916. All right. So again, looking at your rules, if it's going up, it's going to be addition or multiplication. If your number pattern is going down, it's going to be subtraction or division. So you just got to start, plugging in numbers and see what's works. Now, important, remember, it's got to work every time. You can't add 3 the first time and then multiply 3 the second time. No, it's got to be the same rule every single time.